Brevera Technologies is an electronic engineering company, delivering innovative design and manufacturing solutions for OEMs. Founded in 2013 by passionate electronic engineers in India, Brevera is headquartered at Bangalore, with the R&D facility located in Bangalore. Our state-of-the-art design center and skill sets and resources enable customers in realizing feature-rich, reliable and cost-effective products with faster time-to-market advantages. Brevera Technologies has expertise in embedded hardware design, power electronics, and embedded software development. Design for mass manufacturing, strong component sourcing network, automation of PCBA testing, business process management, enforced and monitored through enterprise ERP software, helps us in delivering high-quality products on time, in a process-driven fashion. We have been successful in disrupting the voltage stabilizer market with our products for many OEMs. The very price-sensitive Indian market desires well-designed, reliable, robust and innovative products. With a designed-for-value design philosophy behind all the products, our manufacturing processes are designed and configured according to each customer's needs and product lines. Our key objective is to provide efficient service, driven by innovation, that delivers impact, enabling customers to remain focused on winning in their marketplace. Towards this goal, we have tied up with best-in-class certified EMS companies. All our products are assembled in fully ESD compliant environments. Innovative custom-made test jigs and fixtures are designed as per the applications of the boards to enable automated testing with little human intervention, reducing errors to nil and ensuring precise testing, while collecting test data for later analysis and MIS. Brevera is known for integrity, trust and teamwork. Co-creating IP is a focus area and is of top priority in all our design and manufacturing contracts. We offer well-designed stabilizer cards, weighing scale cards, servo stabilizer cards, smart plug, cloud-based remote monitoring solutions, etc. If you are looking for customized product design, top-class quality as well as cost-effective solutions, definitely Brevera Technologies has all the ingredients to be your perfect partner. For any of your queries, please contact us at info@brevera.in or visit our website www.brevera.in to know more about us.